Hello students. In last lecture we have seen definition of flux. What is flux? Flux can be calculated by double integration of f dot n ds. Where what is this f? F is a continuous vector field defined over surface S. What is n? N is a unit normal field on that surface. Okay. Now for this, if for the surface S, if it is given by equation f of x y z is equal to c, okay, if surface is given by this equation, then n may be taken to be one of the two fields. Then n can be plus minus del f upon mod out del f, depending on which one gives the preferred direction. Okay, so in that case, how the flux is calculated? So flux is double integration f dot n ds. That is double integration over region R, f dot n means plus minus del f upon mod of del f. And what is ds? ds is mod del f upon mod of del f dot p into dA. So using this formula, we will calculate the flux if the equation is given by f of x y z is equal to c. Also, definition of surface integral. Now, suppose that S is a surface. If surface S is given by equation f of x y z is equal to c, where this f has continuous first order partial derivatives and g is a continuous function over S. What is given? Surface is given by f of x y z is equal to c. F has continuous first order partial derivatives and g is a continuous function over S. Let R be the projection of S into the plane P. In that case, the integral of function g over S is the integral double integral over R g of x y z into mod of del f upon del f dot p dA, where this p is unit normal vector to region R, and this del f dot p should not be equal to 0. Okay, this integral is called as a surface integral. Now let us solve some more examples. Example is integrate g of x y z is equal to x plus y plus z over the surface of the cube cut from the first octant by the planes x is equal to a, y is equal to a, z is equal to e. Now it is cube cut by in the first octant by which planes? X is equal to, this is x axis, y axis, z axis. This is point A, x is equal to a, y is equal to a, z is equal to a. We form the cube. Okay, we have to find out the surface integral for which function g of x y z is equal to x plus y plus z. So this is the related graph. Now there are total how many surfaces? You can see for cube there are total 6 surfaces. Okay, so this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, like this. So we will calculate the surface integral over all of these 6 surfaces, and finally we will add all of them. Now first the bottom face. Now so here what we are going to do, we are going to find out the surface integral for this OABC. Then similarly we can say, means it is the this area is present at where? At xy plane. Okay, so similarly whatever will be the answer of this, we can say that will be the answer of this area because it is at yz plane, and similarly for this area because it is at xz plane. Okay, so first let us find out at this bottom the integral at this, for this bottom, that is OABC. So the bottom face OABC is equal to S1 of the cube is in the which plane? XY plane. XY plane means Z is equal to 0. Okay, so what will be g of x y z? So g of x y z will be, now z is 0, so it will be, and what is g of x y z? It is given as x plus y plus z. Now z is 0 means it will be x plus y, and we will take this z is equal to 0 as a function. F of x y z is equal to z is equal to 0. Now in this case p is equal to k. Now from this implies p is equal to k. What will be del f? Now f is z, means its partial derivative with respect to del f by definition of del. So it is z, so it will be 1 into k, that is k. So mod of del f will be mod of del f will be square root of 1 square, that is 1. Therefore what will be mod of del f dot p? That will be mod del f is k, and P is K. So mod of K dot K, that will be 1. Okay. So from this ds will be, ds means dx into dy, that is double integral of g ds over s1, that is double integral. What is function g? It is for this surface s1, function is x plus y, so x plus y dx dy, and x plus y dx dy, x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to a, because it is a cube. Okay, from 0 to a, 0 to a, so x and y will vary from 0 to a. After solving this, we will get the answer as a cube. So similarly, because of the symmetry, we also get a cube over OAFG, means OAFG, and also we call it as S2, and also we will get a cube over OCDG, that is OCDG, because it is at YZ plane. Okay. Now next what remains? Now again 3 surfaces are remain. Next, on the top of the cube, that is this EFGD, let us call it S4. So we will calculate for this EFGD, let us call it S4. So for this, what will be function? G of x, y, z is equal to x plus y plus z. But what is z here? Z is equal to a. Sorry, here. Now what we are calculating at this surface. Okay, for at this surface means at where it cuts to z plane, at z is equal to a. So for this, we call this surface S4. Function g will be x plus y plus z, and z is a, so x plus y plus a. And function is z is equal to a. And here p is equal to k, and del f will be what is f? F is equal to z is equal to a. So its del f will be k. Mod of del f will be 1, mod of del f dot p will be 1, ds is dx dy. So integral over S4, g ds is x plus y plus a, function g is x plus y plus a dx dy. Here again x and y both varies from 0 to a. After solving this integral, we will get 2a cube. Okay. So similarly, again by symmetry, for the remaining integral surfaces S5, and S5 is ABEF, that answer will be 2a cube, and for the next surface BCDE, the answer will be 2a cube. Okay. So our final answer, that is integral over given surface x plus y plus z ds, that will be integral over S1, double integral over S1 plus over S2 plus over S3 plus S4, S5, S6. Okay. So that will be, it is a cube for first 3 surfaces, and then 2a cube, 2a cube, 2a cube. So finally our answer is 9a cube. Okay. Next example, integrate g of x, y, z is equal to x square root of y square plus 4 over the surface cut from the parabolic cylinder y square plus 4z is equal to 16 by the planes x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and z is equal to 0. Now here, what is given function? Now this is function g, which is continuous. This is function f, whose first partial derivatives exist, and we have to find out integral of the cut by this function to this cylinder. So what is function here? F of x, y, z is equal to, from this, y square plus 4z minus 16 is equal to 0. So from this, del f will be, its by definition of del, its partial derivative with respect to y into j, its partial derivative with respect to z into k, like this. So it will be 2yj plus partial derivative of 4z is 4, 4 into k. So from this, mod of del f will be square root of 4y square plus 4 square. So it will be 2 square root of y square plus 4. Okay. So the normal to the surface. So what will be normal? Normal is del f upon del f upon mod of del f. Okay. So del f is nyj plus 4k upon mod of del f is 2 square root of y square plus 4. And what is p? P is equal to k. So from that, mod of del f dot p, this is del f, and this is, and p is k. So their dot product will be 4, and its modulus will be square root of 4 square, that is 4. And ds will be what? ds will be mod of del f upon mod of del f upon mod of del f dot p. Okay. What is this ds? Mod of del f upon mod of del f dot p. We have calculated this and then we are calculating it. Then after multiplication of both, we are calculating double integral, means here we are calculating what? Mod of del f dot p. Okay, so that value is, so here that value is mod of del f dot p upon, this is what? So this is del f, ds is del f upon, we are calculating del f upon mod of del f dot p. Okay, so what will be double integral? Double integral will be g into ds is equal to double integral. What is by formula? Formula is g into, now we will use the formula of double integral. Now means what? We are using this formula, g into this value into ds. So that will be double integral. What is our g? Given function g is, this is given function x square root of y square plus 4, and this value, that is ds, that is 2 square root of y square plus 4 upon 4, means 2 will get cancelled, into dx dy. Now here x varies from 0 to 1. Okay, it is given that x varies from 0 to 1, and then y varies from, so we will calculate y. So how y varies from? Now z is equal to 0. So for this cylinder z 0 means we get the equation y square is equal to 16. So y will be plus minus 4. Okay, therefore y varies from minus 4 to 4. So next we will solve this integral. So after multiplication of square root will get cancelled. In next step we will get x y square plus 4 upon 2 dx dy. This limits as it is. After solving these integrals, we will get the answer as 56 upon 3. Okay. Next is example of finding flux. So what is given? Question is find flux of the field. Field is given as y square I minus 2j plus xzk across rectangular surface S. That surface S is given by y is equal to 0, minus 1 less equal x less equal to 2 less equal z less equal 7 in the direction of minus j. Okay, we have to find out flux of field. This field is given, which is surface, y is 0. Now this is x axis, y axis, z axis. Y is 0. X varies from minus 1 to 2. So this is x axis. Okay, so x varies from minus 1 to 2, and z varies from 2 to 7. So z varies from 2 to 7. Okay, this is a given surface. Okay, this is field. Now we will use the formula here. So here surface S is given by g of x y z is equal to y is equal to 0. Okay, y is equal to 0. We can represent g by this equation. It is given. So from that del j will be by what? Now here is only y, means its del will be what? Its partial derivative with respect to y, that is 1 into j, that is j. Therefore mod of del j will be square root of 1 square, that is 1. From this n will be del j upon mod of del g. Why we are taking minus sign? So del j upon mod of del g, that will be minus j, because we have to calculate it in the direction of minus j. It is given in the question. Therefore by definition of flux is equal to double integral f dot n ds over s, that is double integral f dot, what is n? N is minus j here, and what is the variable? dz dx, because y is 0, so we will integrate with respect to z and x. Now what is f dot minus j? So f dot minus j will be, this is our f, okay, this is our f, and minus j, so dot product of both, this is n, so f dot n will be, now here is only j, so we will multiply coefficients of j, so that will be minus 2 into minus 1, that is 2, so we will write here product of these two, f dot minus j is 2, so 2 dz dx. Now here z varies from 2 to 7 and x varies from minus 1 to 2. It is given in the question. So after solving this integral, what we get? We get the answer as 30. Okay. Next, sorry. Next example is, find the flux of the field F is equal to Zxi plus Zyj plus Z square k across the portion of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square in the first octant in the direction away from the origin. So field is given. Now here function is given in the form of f of x y z is equal to c. Okay. So which formula we will use? We will use this formula here. We will use this because f of x y z is equal to c, this form is given. So we will use this formula. We will calculate this value, take their dot product and then multiply by this value. Now here surface S is, this is the first of all, this is given field. Surface S is given by g of x y z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus a square is equal to 0. Now here only name g is given. You can, for convenience, you can use f here. Okay. So g is this. From this we will calculate del g. Del g will be, by definition, del g will be 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. From this we will calculate mod of del g. So mod of del g will be square root of 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square. That is, it will be, we can take 4 common in bracket x square plus y square plus z square, which is a square. So we will get square root of 4a square, that is 2a. Therefore, what will be our n? N will be del g upon mod of del g. Okay, so del g is, our del g is what? 2xi plus 2ij plus 2zk, and mod of del g is 2a. So 2 will get cancelled. We will get this as n. From this, what will be f dot n? F dot n will be, now our capital F is, this is our capital F, zxi plus zyj plus z square k, and f dot n, what is our n? We get the n here as xi plus yj plus zk upon a. So what will be f dot n? What is our f? Our f is zxi plus zyj plus z square k, and our n is, this is our n, x upon ai plus y upon aj plus z upon a k. Okay. Therefore f dot n will be multiplication of coefficients of I, j and k. So that will be, and add them. So that will be zx into x upon a, that is zx square upon a, plus zy square upon a, plus z cube upon a. Okay. So here we can take z common. So that will be x square plus y square plus z square upon a. But what is x square plus y square plus z square? It is given as a square. Okay. So z a square upon a. So finally we get is dot product as z into a. Okay. So here f dot n is equal to z into a. Next, what we required? Again, mod of del g dot k. Now this is our del g. So del g dot k will be, so remember that here this f is capital F, that is given field. Now del g dot k. What is del g? Our del g is 2xi plus 2ij plus 2zk. Its dot product with k, that will be 2z. Okay, with k only, means we will multiply, coefficient of k is 1 and it is 2z. So that will be 2z. Therefore, what will be our ds? ds will be this 2a. What is the formula for ds? Formula for ds is mod of del g upon mod of del g dot k. So that will be 2a upon 2z into dA, that will be a upon z. Therefore by formula, flux is double integral f dot n ds, that is what? Double integral of f dot n, that is za into this value, that is a upon z dx dy. So here what it will be? Z will get cancelled, a square dx dy over r. We can take a square common as it is constant, double integral dx dy. Now a square as it is. Now what is double integral dx dy? It is nothing but area of r, and area of r is 1 upon 4 pi of a square, that is, so finally we will get answer as 1 upon 4 pi a raised to 4. Okay. Next example is, now let us S be the portion of a cylinder, y is equal to e raised to x. Okay, it is y is equal to e raised to x in the first octant that projects parallel to the x-axis onto the rectangular region. It is given as y is between 1 to 2, z is between 0 to 1 in the yz plane. Let n be the unit normal to S that points away from the yz plane. Find the flux of the field. Capital F is equal to minus 2i plus 2ij plus zk across S in the direction of n. This is related figure. So first of all, what is surface S? Now it is given as y is equal to e raised to x. So surface S is given by, we will call it as g of xyz is equal to y is equal to e raised to x can be written as y minus e raised to x is equal to 0. So from this, so we will use again the previous definition here. So from this, what is del g? Its partial derivative with respect to y will be 1 into j, that is j. Its partial derivative with respect to x is minus e raised to x into I. So this is del g. From this, mod of del g will be square root of minus e raised to x square, that will be e raised to 2x plus 1 square. From this, n will be del g, that is this value, upon mod of del g. Okay, so we have taken minus of it. Why? Because it is points away from given plane yz, point away, so we are multiplying it n by minus 1. So we have calculated del g, mod of del g. Now we have capital F and n, and what we have capital N, F and n, what we required in the formula, F dot n. So this is our capital F, this is our n. So as solved previously, we will take the dot product of this capital F and small n. So what we get? We get the answer as, so answer will be F dot n is equal to minus 2 e raised to x minus 2y upon square root of e raised to 2x plus 1. Now here P is equal to I, which is normal to region R. So next we will calculate mod of del G dot P. So we already calculated del G, we have P as I, so we will multiply coefficients of I for both, we will get e raised to x. From this we will calculate ds. What is ds? ds is mod of del G upon mod of del G dot F. This is mod of del G, this is mod of del G dot P. Then by definition of flux, so flux is equal to double integral over R. Which formula we are using? We are using this formula, okay? F dot del F upon mod of del F, means this is n, okay? F dot n, and we have said this as a ds. So we will multiply all of these values here. So flux is equal to double integral, this is F dot of n, that is this value we calculated, and this is ds. ds means what? Del G upon mod of del G dot P into ds. So here we will simplify it. This square root will get cancelled. So what remained here? This will get cancelled. So what remained? Double integral minus 2 e raised to x minus 2y upon e raised to x dA. That is, it can be written as double integral minus 2 y e raised to x dA. But what is y? Y is equal to e raised to x. So that will be minus 2. Y is e raised to x means e raised to x will get cancelled dA. That is, we get double integral minus 4 into dA. So we can take minus 4 common, double integral over dA. That is minus 4 double integral. Now dA, which area is given here? Now you can see here which variables are there, y and z. X on, it is parallel to x axis, okay, and y varies from 1 to 2, z from 0 to 1. So we will solve it as dy dz. Y varies from 1 to 2 and z varies from 0 to 1. So after solving it, it will be minus 4, 0 to 1. y1 to 2 dz, that is minus 4. After applying limit it will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. So integration dz 0 to 1, that is it will be minus 4. Its integration is z 0 to 1, so that will be what? It is minus 4 into 1 minus 0. So finally we will get the answer as minus 4. Okay, you can see here. So it is minus 4 double integral over r dA, that is minus 4. So this is the flux of given field over given surface. Okay, so let's stop here. Thank you.